To power off your Motorola Edge 50 Neo without touching screen, you will need to grab your phone, then click and hold a power button for around 20 seconds. Then when it powers off, the screen turns black. Hold the volume down button along with the power button, which will open your fast boot menu. Now what we need to do is click on volume up, volume down, or the power button to find the power off sequence, and just click on the power down, volume down, and look for power off. Here it is. Then confirm it with one click of a power button to power off your phone without touching your screen. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.